Kuzulu kwadise
Onkembo
Mayangi menako
Yenzitusu
Osidi bubu siyamona bakundibo
Kumbanza yombanza yamba
Kuzulu kwadise
Onkembo
Mayangi menako
Yenzitusu
Osidi bubu siyamona bakundibo
Kumbanza yombanza yamba
Kwenda kuzulwe
Omaya
Ongena yimbile Yesu wena kuna Wenda talanga Mantanga mami Mami kuna Wa Yesu wena moyo ndungere Twenda kuzulwe Ongena yimbile Yesu wena kuna Wenda talanga Mantanga mami wa Yesu wena moyo ndungere Kuzulu kwena mbakundi
Babontono
Bambini nunga muzingu
Yababanta
Osidi bubu siyamona bakundi bo
Kumbanza yo yanzitusu
Kuzulu kwena mbakundi
Babontono
Bambini nunga muzingu
Yababanta
Osidi bubu siyamona bakundi bo
Kumbanza yo yanzitusu
Twenda kuzulu Ongena yimbile Yesu wena kuna Wenda talanga Manzanga Mami kunguna Wa Yesu wena moyo ndungere Wenda kuzulwe Ongena yimbile Yesu wena kuna Wenda talanga Manzanga Wa Yesu wena moyo ndungere Twenda kuzulwe Ongena yimbile Yesu wena kuna Wenda talanga Manzanga Wa Yesu wena moyo ndungere Oh hallelujah Oh magangi mena jame Oh hallelujah hallelujah Wabu ndungini kwame Oh kese kwa mikuna zulu Wabu ndungini kwame Oh hallelujah Oh hallelujah Oh hallelujah Wabu ndungini kwame Oh kese kwa mikuma zulu Wabu ndungini kwame Oh yangalala yesimbasi Wabu ndungini kwame Oh hallelujah Oh hallelujah Mono ndungini kwame Mono ndungini kwame
Here's the deal with SEO on Wix. You get a site with out-of-the-box defaults built to the highest technical standards, with server-side rendering for HTML and SEO tags, fully customizable structured data markup, dynamic XML sitemaps, and more.
Buena moyo Oh Yesu mbulu ziyanta Fulukidi Yesu fulukidi Many better swallow. Kembo, 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 when we say hallelujah. Hallelujah. Yes, so follow the yes, so follow Yesu fulukiti. Oh Yesu, Yesu buluzianza. Oh wena moyo. Oh meni bedu swallow fwa. Oh wena moyo. Kembo, kembo, kembo kwanzambi say hallelujah. Oh wena moyo. Wena moyo. Hallelujah. Wena moyo. Yesu buluzianza. Wena moyo. Yesu fulukiti. Yesu fulukiti. Wena moyo. Hallelujah. Wena moyo. Yesu fulukiti. Wena moyo. Fulukiti baba. Wena moyo. Yesu fulukiti. Yesu fulukiti. Wena moyo. Hallelujah. Wena moyo. Yesu fulukiti. Wena moyo. Wena moyo. Yesu fulukiti. Yesu fulukiti. Wena moyo. Kuzulu kwadise Onkembo Mayangi menako Yenzitosu Osidi vuvu siyamona bakundibo Kumbanza yombanza yamba Kuzulu kwadise Onkembo Mayangi menako Yenzitosu Wasiri vuvu siyamona bakundibo Kumbanza yombanza yamba Twende kuzulwe Ongena yimbile O Yesu wena kuna Wendo talanga Mantanga mami Mami kunguna Wa Yesu wena moyo ndungene Twende kuzulwe Ongena yimbile O Yesu wena kuna Wendo talanga Mantanga mami wa Yesu wena moyo ndungene Kuzulu kwena mbakundi Mabotono Bambini nunga muzingu Yababanza Osiri bubu siyamona bakundi bo Kumbanza yo yanzitusu Kuzulu kwena bakundi Mabotono Bambini nunga muzingu Yababanza Osiri bubu siyamona bakundi bo Kumbanza yo yanzitusu Twenda kuzulu Ongena yimbile O Yesu wena kuna Wenda talanga Mantanga Mami kunguna Wa Yesu wena moyo ndungene Wenda kuzulwe Ongena yimbile O Yesu wena kuna Wenda talanga Mantanga Mami kunguna Wa Yesu wena moyo ndungene Wenda kuzulwe
kuzulwe ongena yimbile Yesu webakula wenda talanga yandanga mami matanga mane kunguna wa Yesu wena moyo ndungiri
Oh, hallelujah. Oh, magangi mena jame. Oh, hallelujah, hallelujah. Wabo ndungini kwame. Oh, kese kwa mikuna zulu. Wabo ndungini kwame. Oh, hallelujah. Oh, hallelujah. Oh, hallelujah. Wabo ndungini kwame. Oh, yes, kwa mikuma zulu. Wabo ndungini kwame. Oh, yangala yesimbasi. Wabo ndungini kwame. Oh, hallelujah. Oh, hallelujah. Mono ndungini kwame. Mono ndungini kwame. Ndungini.
Can you hear me?
Yes, I can hear you.
Oh, thank you very much. Give me 1 second. Let me just greet the audience. Hello, if you are watching, we thank you very much. Don't move. This is Kikongo class. Kikongo is the language of Congo Kingdom. Kikongo is spoken in Angola, Gabon, the DRC, and the Republic of Congo. Let me just try to test. We are live, but I was late. I need to test my. Let me test. Can you hear me now?
Yes, I can still hear you.
Oh, okay, that's fine because I have two microphones. Never mind. Okay. Let's crack on. Thank you. Thank you very much for your time, Tata. I know Tata Dave said that the clock is back forward.
Yeah, it actually went forward 1 hour.
Ah, okay. No worries. Let me see what am I doing now. Okay, we're there. You are on your own today, Tata. Sorry. You're solo today.
Okay, no problem.
Let me try to. We are sorry. We're just trying to. We're struggling here. 1 minute. Okay. Okay. Let me just move this one. Let's try to. Okay, this one. Yeah. Okay. Sorry, Tata. On Spotlight. You are on your own today.
Okay.
Okay, let me just try to this one. Let me just share this one. This is you. I think you have the previous one. This is the new one, yes?
Yeah, I think that's the one that you sent out on WhatsApp.
Yeah, this is the new one. Yeah, I did send it to you. Yeah, the file. You have it, I think.
Yeah, sure. Yeah, I do have that file. Yes.
Yeah, this is the present tense. Remember last time it was present continuous. Remember?
Oh, you know, I missed that lesson.
Give 1 minute. I'm not sure if I can find it here. Oh, this my computer. My computer is old. I'm trying to use my laptop, but other files I can only find them on the computer. 1 second. See. Okay. Meanwhile, can you read Kumbanza? Try to pronounce correctly. Kumbanza Congo Izingilanga. Kumbanza Congo Uzingilanga. So on, please.
Kunabanza Congo
Mhm.
Izingilanga.
Carry on. You can say Kuna or Kumbanza Congo.
Oh, okay,
Third per second and third, please.
Okay, Kumbanza Congo Izingilanga. Keep going.
Yes, please.
Kumbanza Congo Uzingilanga.
Yes.
Kumbanza Congo Kazingilanga. Kumbanza Congo Tuzingilanga.
Yeah.
Kumbanza Congo Luzingilanga. Kumbanza Congo Bezingilanga.
Yeah, thank you very much, Tatana. Remember, Bazingilanga, Bezingilanga could be either ba. Okay, Zinga, it is a verb to live, yes?
Yes.
Luzingo life. Yeah, this one is. It's the same thing we did last time.
Ah, okay. Yeah.
Yeah, I mean, basically, the mood here, the tense here is present continuous, yeah? Yeah. No. Present tense. Are you okay, Tatana?
Yes, yeah.
Let me just display the last one, the previous one. This is the
Yeah, that one. Okay, I have that one, yes.
present continuous. See the pattern. Is the pattern clear? We're talking about the personal pronoun, yes? He, you, yes? So,
Yeah, I see it.
Present continuous. Sorry, I can't. I don't have my pointer because I'm using Google Slides. So on.
So would that be so kuzandu ita kwenda? Is that I'm going to the market?
Yes, that's how I was about to explain.
Okay.
You're going. Your ing is here.
Yeah. Okay. Yes. Yes.
Yeah?
Yes.
Your ing. Let's try to translate. I don't know. But anyway, you understand it.
Yes.
Because kuzandu to the market, kwenda is the verb, but where is continuous? Yeah, continuous is here. Yeah, ta. Yeah.
So the continuous is what is ita?
Yeah, that's what I'm trying to say to explain. Because remember, on the this is present continuous. On the present tense, we have the same how do you call it? Personal pronoun. The only difference is the ta is your ing.
Okay.
Let me try to find another verb. Okay, nzo. No, other verb. Okay, let just for the sake of teaching of the lesson, you could say I'm work at kuzandu. Kuzandu itakwenda, yeah. Kunzo itakwenda, yes. Kunzo.
So is there? Okay, I see. Yeah. Okay.
Now I was trying to find another verb, but you understand that.
Yeah. So let me ask. Okay. So present tense is. So for example, like what would be the equivalent of like I am going to the market or I am at the market? Is that?
Kuzandu ngina.
Okay, kuzandu. Okay.
That's why. That's why I don't like the easiest way is just to focus on one thing at a time. That I remember.
Okay. Yes.
Otherwise, remember the reason I'm saying that because the same gina is another verb and another pronoun sometimes, so on. They're confusing sometimes. Yes.
Yeah, I was trying to. I guess maybe I was trying to find the English translation of the present
No, it's correct.
continuous.
Kunzongina, I'm at home. Yes, at home.
Yes. Okay.
Yeah. So, but the thing I'm trying to highlight now is your ta. You remember? Your ta is your ing, your continuous. Yes.
Yes.
Yeah.
Okay.
Because if let me just go back. This one. See the I, the personal pronoun is there. The same, yes. We don't have ta here because it's not continuous. That's all.
Let me see.
Tata David, Kiambote Tata. Kiambote Tata David.
Kiambote.
Yeah, thank you. Let me just go back to okay.
Kiambote.
Kiambote Tata David. Let me just try to refresh memories. Let me just go back to where
Okay. I see.
See Tata, yes?
Yeah. I see. Okay. Ita, uta, kata.
Yeah, your ta is your ing, yes?
Yeah. Okay.
Because here, see the pattern, see the personal pronoun, see the same.
Yeah.
You unchanged, yes?
Yeah. Okay, I see it.
I'm trying to find another verb. Let me just try to help Tata David. Let me just go back. Tata David, today we're learning present tense, Tata David, yes? Let me just try to go back to where we were. I was trying to explain to Tata Alain. This is present continuous. Here, our ing, how do you call it? Yes, our ing, present continuous is on ta, yes? Tata David. Tata David, are you okay?
Yes, I had trouble printing this out, so I'll have to try again after class.
No. Don't worry. Let me just. Tata, Ale, are you okay?
Yeah, no, I'm fine. I'm just taking.
Yeah, you are the one you call it Gironda. Is it Gironda yeah. In a present continuous. Gerun. We say Gerun.
Yeah, going,
We say Gerun
staying. Yeah.
In. Let's just call it Gironda. Yeah. In is in ta. Tata David on this is present continuous, but on the present tense, we just the pattern is the same. When I say pattern, I mean the personal pronoun. Yeah, yeah. I'm reading Kikongo. U, ka, tu, same. Here on continuous, your ing, going. Your ing is here in ta. Yes.
Okay.
Your ing, your ta. Yes. I'm just trying to find another verb here. Kuzan. Of course, this ing on the move, yes? Moving. Kuzandu itakwenda. Zandu is market. Nzo is home. Kunzo itakwenda. Yes. We could find other verbs, but I'm just trying to remove this. Yes. Tatane, okay?
Yes. Yeah. No, yeah.
Thank you, my Tatane, for bringing it up. You did well. Now your question. This.
No, but now I understand it though. It's clear now.
Yeah. For the time being, we'll stick to this one: present continuous and present tense.
Yeah. Okay.
Ironically, something that would be hard, you've already learned it. The future is easy. Your singer, remember your singer? Isinga.
Yeah, Isinga. Yes.
Yeah, your future. That's the future, but the headache is the past tense. I'm not sure if we should learn it because we are going to. I need to find the easiest way, a leeway, because the past depends on your tone, your tonality. That's the hardest bit. Yes. Mm. Mm. Because if you remember, if I say Yamonao, let me see it. Listen carefully. Yamonao. This is the past. That's how they yeah? Yamonao, let me see it. I can see it. Yamonao, I saw it. Okay, don't worry. Okay, let me just go back to. Okay, this is the continuous, present continuous. Ta is your ing, yes?
Mm-hmm.
Here, easy, yeah? Kunambanza Congo is zingilanga. Zinga means, let's try to, zinga to live.
To live.
Or when you are blessing the king on the coronation day, zinga, this is the blessing. Long live the king, yeah? Zinga kwa.
Mm-hmm.
Luzingo.
So
Yes.
you just change the tone.
Oh yeah, yeah. You guessed it. Yeah, well done. Go
To
Kikongo.
say zinga, long may you live then.
Yeah, zinga kwaku. Long life. Long live the king. Yeah. Wait. Yes. This is a present tense. Kumbanza Congo izingilanga. Okay. Okay. When we say my love originally in Bakongo village, when we say my love, we mean alcohol drink, yes? Which is a palm wine. That's all, yes? Palm wine.
Yes.
My love, we don't have milk. I mean, in the area we don't have milk. When I say milk, I mean from cow, yes? We don't have milk. We don't have sweet soft drink. I mean, you understand? I mean, the village. We're talking about village. We're talking about village. Drinks water. Of course, we have coffee. Yeah? Cafe. Yes. Okay. Noir means drink. Remember that?
Yeah.
Drink. To drink.
To drink. Yeah.
Yes. Malavu is drink. Alcohol. Malavu. You just need to change. Remove just kunambanza. Just put malavu, insert malavu. Okay. Here the only okay, we just try to find the pattern. NGA, the last three letter, yes, from the verb. This is the correct pattern. Malavu.
Are you sharing your screen?
Yeah, no. I'm just keep this screen on.
Okay. Yeah.
Yeah,
okay.
Sorry. I'm using my laptop. I don't have a pointer.
Okay, you're saying that the NGA in Izingilanga, right?
The NGA. This is the pattern for the present continuous. The verb here is zinga. Yes.
Yes.
Let me just give you an example. Noir means to drink. If I say malavu inwanga,
You're
Tata David.
I think we lost.
Tata, can you hear me?
I can hear you. Yes.
I think Tata David.
yeah. Now we can.
Yeah. Okay.
Now we can.
Sorry.
Your audio dropped out.
I'm using my laptop. Okay. Sorry. Too late. I can't change. Yes. Kumbanza Congo izingilanga. Remember, we are fine. Are we okay with the pattern, the personal pronoun? Yes, Tata.
Yes. Well,
Tata David, yeah.
Okay.
Yes. And
So
what does the?
when you
Go
I'm
ahead.
sorry,
Go
go
ahead,
ahead,
Alan.
David. No,
I
you
was
go. You go.
wondering
I'm
what the
sorry.
word kuna means.
Kuna is your preposition. Some people define it, location, yeah, direction, location. Kuna, to, to.
Okay, so that would be like Tumbanza Congo. I'm going.
Good question. In this case, no. Kumbanza, no, we want to Kumbanza. This is Bantu language. Okay. I live there. If
Oh,
you say
I
there.
live. Yeah, sorry. Okay,
Yeah, I
no, that
live
was my
there, yeah.
mistake. Okay, yeah, I live there. Okay.
Kuna,
Yes.
there, I live there. Okay, you live there.
Okay.
I live there in Banzagong. Okay, you understand.
Yes.
Translation is hard because this is Bantu language. Okay. Malavu inwanga. I drink. Yes. Malavu unwanga. I'm just trying to try to make you understand the pattern for the verb. The verb nga. I work. Okay, tell Alan, question to you. I work in my job. I work in Banza, Congo. Can you try to Sala? Very easy, Sala.
Kunambanza Congo Salanga.
Well done, Isalanga. You drop
Also
your.
Isalanga. Yeah.
Yes, well done. Yes, Tata David. Oh, Tata David. Tata David can hear me. Tata David can hear me. No.
I can still hear you.
No, I think Tata David, there's an issue. Tata David. Tata David, are you there? It is dropping. Yes. Can you find another verb in Kikongo? Remember any other verb? This is a test for you, Tata.
From Quenda.
Maybe Kwenda here we just because the present tense.
Oh,
Yes.
okay, present. Okay, something.
We're not on the
Okay.
move. Yes. What the verb? Salanga. That was fine. To sit.
Okay.
Vuanda. To sit.
Kunambanza Congo Ivwanga.
Vuandanga.
Ivwandanga, yeah.
Yes, remember.
Yeah.
Let me just try to. Well done, Tata. Let me just try to write down. Tata David.
Okay, I think he's back.
I've missed a big part of the last few minutes. Should I try signing out and then maybe signing back in? Do you think that will help?
Please.
Okay, I'll try that.
Thank you. Tata, well done. That's what we just need to focus on one thing at a time. Tata, yes?
Yes.
We are fine with present tense, present continuous. We're okay. Future, you fine. Future, you know you're Osinga. That we done for. Thankfully, we did it. Yeah. Yeah. Can you see on the screen? This the verb to drink.
Yeah.
Yes.
Noir, to drink, yes.
Yeah. Nwanga.
Nwanga, okay.
Malavu Nwanga. Yes.
Malavu Nwanga, okay.
Oh, Tata Davis, he's missing this. Yes.
Okay. So okay, I have to go look at some verbs there, but no, but I do understand.
Lamba. Tata, this is a test for you. Lamba. What's the meaning? Lamba.
To cook.
Well done. Yes. Okay. I think you. Tata David is back. Let's see. Tata David is better now. Tata David.
Yes, I'm back, and I hope it's smoother now.
Okay. Yes. Let me just. I think Where is okay. I need to write again. Okay, I'm just put. Okay, present tense. Noir, to drink. The pattern. You know your personal pronoun, yes?
Mhm.
Be it tense, present tense, or continuous. The pattern is the same. The personal pronoun is the same. I'm reading Kikongo. E, first person. U, ka, tu, u. But the verb, the pattern for the verb is your nga. Okay?
Mhm.
Kumbanza kun izingilanga. Zinga is a verb, but you put your personal pronoun, then ng is the pattern for the verb. Yeah.
Okay.
Malavu inwanga. Okay. Yeah.
Yeah.
Lamba means to cook. Lamba.
Mhm.
Lamba. Do you know Wangila?
Wangila is yeah. Are those is it the beans or is it the
So, is that grains? I got grains. Yeah. I can't remember
grains
I
Wangila?
forgot
Yeah.
the word in
Yeah,
English.
yeah,
Yeah.
yeah. No, I know. Yeah, it's like
But
it's
I'm sure you know. I'm sure you know Fumbwa.
yes.
Okay. That David, I give this one.
Sure. If I want to say I am cooking, I would say ilambanga.
Yes. Yes. But well there, Ilambanga. Yes. Yes. Yes.
But the accent should be on the la. So ilambaga. Yeah. Lambanga.
Ilambanga. Yes. Right there. Right there.
Mhm.
Yes.
No, but that I'm trying to that would be I cook,
Continuous.
right? Not I'm cooking. To say I'm cooking, don't we have to use
Use the
Continuous.
ta.
Continuous. Continuous.
ita lamba?
Continuous. Yes. That's what I was about to say. Let me go to the continuous. Yes. That this one. Yes.
Yeah, you're right.
Yeah. That
So
the very
italambanga.
No. When you are on, let me just show you the pattern. The pattern here, nga is for your present tense. That is.
Yes.
Continuous is continuous is easy. Just you keep the infinitive. Just your keyword is
Oh,
ink. Yes. That is.
Yes.
On
Yep.
continuous, you don't change you don't touch on the verb.
okay. So
Continuous,
just
your
be italamba.
is your ink. Yeah.
Italamba. Okay.
Yes. Okay. Beans, madezo in the Congo. That only first person, you are cooking, I'm cooking beans.
You said my days
Madezo.
with italamba.
Well done, yeah. I was about to say in French, très bien. Well done, well done, yes. That's yes.
Mm-hmm.
You are cooking beans. That's Davis. You one, please.
Okay.
Is there the verb is there? I mean the person pronoun is there.
Yeah, lamba ut. What's the? I'm
Madezo,
sorry, Alan.
object,
What's the word for beans again?
Madezo.
Was
Sorry,
it madezu?
Madezo.
Okay,
Yes.
madezu uta lamba.
Well done. Yes. The key thing here on continuous, your keyword. If I would say keyword, I mean the pattern is we have a pattern is the same. Present continuous, present tense in terms of pronoun. You have some pattern. Yes, no change at all. Continuous, your ing is your ta. On present tense, let me just try to display it again. Present tense, you have your ng. The verb, you add to your verb NGA. Any questions?
No.
No, so far so good.
So far, so good. Well done. Future, we've been dealing with the future for a long time now, yes? Singer.
Yeah.
Yeah, thankful we did it on first. Okay. Fortunately, yes.
Well,
Yeah,
you know,
sorry?
no. I'm. Yeah, okay. I had a question, but I'm gonna save it because I
No,
don't.
go ahead. You can ask.
No, I was gonna say. So when we use Isinga,
Future, yeah.
okay. So when I say I don't know what am I looking for?
Now
Like
remember, singer is your singer is your zero in Catalan. It's not the verb, yeah.
okay.
Remember, Catalan. Yeah, Catalan is there. Singer, yeah.
Yeah. So okay, because singa means I am going, right?
The singer is your will. Is your will.
I will.
Your
Okay, I
will.
will. Okay,
Your
okay.
will, yeah.
Okay, I will.
It's your will.
Okay.
Isinga kwenda, how it go, yeah. Isinga kwiza, how it come. I'm going to come, yes.
Okay. I got it. Okay.
Yeah. But the pattern on for the future is floppy. I mean, because you see, Osing, I could say, or for the second and or for the third. Other people wouldn't say that. I mean, but the first person, the first singular is fine, and the plural, two singa, lusinga, basinga. Yes.
So when we would say I'm coming or what is it? No, not was it Lendi? No. Okay, so Kikwenda goes. I'm not coming.
I'm not going.
I'm
Negative.
not going. Okay. I'm not going. Okay, all right. Never mind. I'm confusing
No,
myself.
I understand. I know what you come from because you trying to you try to compare the singer, the future, proper. I mean, I wouldn't say
Yeah.
proper. They are
No,
not.
because yeah.
We have other futures, but don't worry about those. Just
Okay.
keep in mind. I mean, just stay still to this one. Keep with this picture in mind. Yes, that the
Yes.
present tense. The key word here, the key change is the ng. You add to the verb. Then present continuous your ta, ita, uta. This is your ing. Yeah, tell the Levitt. Yeah, well done. I think we should call it today. We should stop there.
Okay.
You done well. Just I think okay. No worries. We're stopping there. Then we need to try to apply. And we put in this long sentences. But anyway, other brothers are not today. They'll come. We have to go back to this one next Sunday. To turn the questions.
Not for now.
No questions.
You done well. Just remember, continues, present continues. Your ing is in ta, yes?
Okay.
Your ing, then present tense, your ng. Let me just try a quick one, sorry. Give me, where is it? Okay. Yes? This is present tense, Tatalen. Noir is your infinitive, the verb, yes?
Yes.
But I'm adding ng at the end. Tatalen, yes? Yes? Nwanga, yes? Present tense. Tatalen, yes?
Yeah.
Like Zinga, or Zingilanga, although in this case we can't compare. The main thing is NGA. Tutondele. Thank you very much for the time. See you on Sunday. Luenda Kiamboti.
Sala Kembote.
Kembote.
Tutondele.
Ekietu yangani kawa uko iwao bombele meso mwene esibuli matu umwidi ikonzo lyenu Yeno luvova ngabo Kongo dyafwa Yeno luvova ngabo Kongo dyafwa Bizakala kwewe